Whoa, how you still alive? Peanut butter. I'm mentally challenged. You made a bump on my head and gave me brain tumors, so I'm retarded now. I'm gonna rip your balls off if you don't stop. Yes, you can punch me. I like unicorns. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? You go here. Yeah. I'm gonna rip your balls off.